Slider window installation in Slidell is a top choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our expert team specializes in slider windows Slidell and custom slider windows Slidell, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your home's design. With our energy-efficient slider windows Slidell, you can enjoy reduced energy bills and a more comfortable living environment. Window glass replacement Slidell is essential for maintaining the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Our services include double-pane slider windows Slidell, which provide superior insulation and noise reduction. We also offer window condensation fix Slidell to prevent moisture buildup and maintain a clear view. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for any modern home. Our selection of vinyl slider windows Slidell offers excellent thermal performance and durability. With our window weatherproofing Slidell services, you can protect your home from the elements and extend the lifespan of your windows. Window frame installation Slidell is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our team provides comprehensive window maintenance services Slidell, including window sash replacement Slidell and window trim replacement Slidell. We ensure your windows remain in top condition for years to come. Custom window solutions are available to meet your unique needs. Our window style consultation Slidell helps you choose the perfect design for your home. We also offer window measurement services Slidell to ensure a precise fit and optimal performance. Window installation Slidell is backed by our comprehensive window installation warranty Slidell, giving you peace of mind. Our window safety features Slidell include child-proof locks and shatter-resistant glass for added security. We also provide window noise reduction Slidell to create a quieter, more peaceful home environment. Window hardware upgrade Slidell enhances the functionality and appearance of your windows. Our window screen installation Slidell services offer protection from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. We also specialize in window seal installation Slidell to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Insulated glass units Slidell are an excellent choice for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Our window glazing services Slidell provide an additional layer of protection against the elements. We also offer window caulking services Slidell to seal gaps and prevent air leaks. Window leak installation Slidell is essential for preventing water damage and maintaining the integrity of your home. Our team is skilled in window frame installation and window sash replacement to address any issues promptly. We also provide slider windows Slidell installation and window UV protection Slidell to shield your interiors from harmful sun rays. Vinyl window replacement is a popular choice for its durability and low maintenance. Our window trim replacement Slidell services ensure a seamless look and improved performance. We also provide window condensation fix Slidell to address any moisture-related issues. For top-notch slider window installation in Slidell, our team offers unparalleled expertise in residential window services Slidell. We specialize in energy-efficient slider windows Slidell, ensuring your home remains comfortable year-round. Our custom slider windows Slidell are designed to meet your specific needs, providing both style and functionality. Window glass replacement Slidell is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Our window glass replacement services in Slidell ensure that your windows are not only aesthetically pleasing but also energy efficient. We offer double-pane slider windows Slidell to enhance insulation and reduce energy costs. Vinyl slider windows Slidell are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Our vinyl window replacement services in Slidell provide a cost-effective solution for upgrading your home's windows. With our window frame installation Slidell, we ensure that your windows are secure and long-lasting. Window hardware upgrade Slidell is crucial for enhancing the functionality and security of your windows. Our team provides comprehensive window hardware upgrade services in Slidell, ensuring your windows operate smoothly. We also offer window screen installation Slidell to keep your home free from pests while allowing fresh air to circulate. Insulated glass units Slidell are perfect for improving your home's energy efficiency. Our window weatherproofing Slidell services protect your home from the elements, reducing drafts and energy loss. We also provide window sash replacement Slidell to restore the functionality and appearance of your windows. Window caulking services Slidell are vital for preventing air and water leaks. Our window leak installation Slidell services address any issues promptly, ensuring your home remains dry and comfortable. We offer window glazing services Slidell to enhance the appearance and performance of your windows. Window trim replacement Slidell is an excellent way to update the look of your home. Our window condensation fix Slidell services address moisture issues, preventing damage and maintaining clear views. We provide comprehensive window maintenance services Slidell to keep your windows in top condition. Window style consultation Slidell helps you choose the perfect windows for your home. Our window measurement services Slidell ensure a precise fit for your new windows. We offer a window installation warranty Slidell for peace of mind, guaranteeing the quality of our work. Window safety features Slidell are essential for protecting your family and enhancing home security. Our slider windows Slidell solutions are designed with modern safety and durability in mind. Our window noise reduction Slidell services also create a quieter, more peaceful home environment, while window UV protection Slidell helps safeguard your furnishings from sun damage.